Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to post a job on Brighter Monday and add an assessment to it so that candidates have to take the test while applying to the job. You can then use the candidate scores in the test to easily filter through the tons of applications, making your recruitment process faster and allowing you make better and objective decisions on who is a right fit. To start, you need to log in to your Brighter Monday employer account and must have purchased an assessment credit and a job listing credit. To post a job, click on Post a Job at the top menu. Fill the job posting form with accurate information. To add an assessment to the job, select Add Assessment here, then click on Next. This will then bring you to the Assessments Catalog page. On this page, you will need to select the appropriate job function. Then select the desired assessment within that job function, and then choose the experience level. We have tooltips to give you insight as to what each test contains. If satisfied, select the assessment. Then select the experience level. Once you've done this, click on Post. Your job will then go live on the website after a brief approval process. If you want to know more about the Brighter Monday assessment product, please call us on +255 677 043 467 or send an email to info@brightermonday.co.tz.